Winter holidays are the perfect time to cozy up your home with warm, twinkling lights. But why stick to the usual when you can create something truly special? In today's video, we'll explore creative and unique ways to use string lights to elevate your winter decor. These ideas are simple yet stunning, perfect for making your space feel magical this season. Lighted headboard. Add string lights to your headboard for a warm, inviting glow that will instantly make your bedroom feel cozy and ready for the holidays. Lighted artwork. Illuminate your favorite wall art with string lights for a soft, elegant touch that works not only for winter but year-round. Star-shaped wire lights. These star-shaped wire lights will beautifully complement any Christmas setup, adding a whimsical glow to your space. Old tobacco sticks with string lights. Repurpose old tobacco sticks by wrapping them with string lights for a rustic, festive look. Metal star with pearls, crystals, and lights. Decorate a metal star with pearls, crystals, and string lights to add a luxurious, sparkling touch to your decor. Light-up star decoration. A simple light-up star is a classic and elegant way to brighten up your holiday decorations. Galvanized bucket with evergreens and lighted branches. Fill a galvanized bucket with evergreen branches and string lights for a charming rustic centerpiece. Whitewash branches with red ornaments and lights. Combine whitewash branches with red ornaments and lights for a striking holiday decoration that adds texture and color. Lighted tree, not a fir tree. Try lighting up a non-traditional tree, such as a birch or fig tree, for an unexpected and stylish winter look. Branches with geometric hangings and lights. Hang geometric ornaments on branches wrapped in lights for a modern, artistic display. Simple branches covered in string lights. For an easy, elegant look, simply drape string lights over bare branches to create a beautiful winter atmosphere. Firefly lights in a clutch. Place delicate firefly string lights inside a glass clutch for a soft, fairy tale-like display. Whitewash tray with jingle bells and lights. A whitewash tray filled with jingle bells and string lights creates a festive yet understated holiday accent. Bowl with string lights and crystals. A bowl filled with string lights and large crystals will reflect the light beautifully, creating a sparkling centerpiece. Metallic ornaments and lights in a modern bowl. Fill a modern bowl with metallic ornaments and string lights for a sleek, sophisticated holiday display. cones and lights in a punch bowl. Add pine cones and string lights to a punch bowl for a rustic, woodland-inspired holiday decoration. Chic white bowl with star string lights. Star-shaped string lights in a chic white bowl add a subtle, festive glow to any space. Winter Wonderland bowl with wreath. Create a winter wonderland by placing string lights in a bowl with a wreath underneath for a charming holiday centerpiece. Wooden bowl with pine cones and mercury glass lights. Combine pine cones and mercury glass lights in a wooden bowl for a warm, natural look. Glass globes with string lights in a wooden bowl. Fill a wooden bowl with glass globes and string lights to create a unique, glowing decoration. Glass jar with lid and LEDs. A cute glass jar with LED lights inside creates a charming, cozy accent for any holiday setting. Matte black bowl with firewood and lights. For a modern touch, fill a matte black bowl with firewood and string lights to create the illusion of a glowing fire. Chic white flameless fire pit with stones. Create a flameless fire pit by filling a white bowl with stones and string lights, adding a warm glow without the flames. Flameless fire pit with string lights. Recreate the warmth of a fire indoors by arranging string lights to mimic the glow of a fire pit. Metal bowl with firewood and string lights. A metal bowl filled with firewood and string lights imitates a cozy fire, perfect for adding warmth to your holiday decor. With these creative string light decor ideas, you can transform your home into a cozy, magical winter retreat. Whether you prefer modern, rustic, or classic touches, string lights are a versatile way to brighten up any space. Try a few of these ideas this holiday season and let the warmth and glow of your decorations fill your home with joy. Thanks for watching and happy decorating!